It could be a kind word, it could be a smile, a word of encouragement, it could even be a correction. God wants us to put His arms extended to others in need. So, have you been kind? You've got to try a little kindness. Just show a little kindness and shine your light for everyone to see. You've got to try a little kindness. Then you'll overlook the kindness of the narrow-minded people on the narrow-minded street. You've got to try. Just shine your light for everyone to see. And if you try your kindness, then you overlook the kindness of the narrow-minded people on the narrow-minded street. And you overlook the kindness of the narrow-minded